Repeat these 2 words before going to sleep and watch the miracle happen. We're going to talk about the law of attraction, and I'll explain a foolproof, super powerful technique. So stick around until the end of the video. Now, let's talk about these 2 words. What are they? And why are they so powerful? Stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. First, remember, we are not destined, we are programmed. You are not destined for poverty, you are programmed. If you change your programming, you can change your destiny and become abundant, even a millionaire. Why not? You are not destined for illness. It's not genetic or something you were told was activated or deactivated. The mind activates genes, which is called epigenetics, and we know this now scientifically. What metaphysics and quantum physics have been saying for years is now being confirmed by science. You are not destined to have a bad relationship, to be alone, or to have many divorces. You are programmed for all that, but if you change your programming, you can completely change your destiny. You can find love, have amazing relationships, and achieve everything you want in life, but you need to reprogram yourself. You don't have to convince others that this is true. You need to convince your own mind. The best time to convince your subconscious mind, where all programs are stored, is just before you go to sleep. This is when your subconscious mind is most open and won't resist anything you tell it. That's why the last thing we think about before going to sleep often appears in our dreams. So, what you do before going to sleep is very, very important. I promise that if you go to sleep with this information every day, you will see amazing results. I cannot emphasize enough how powerful this is. As Neville Goddard said, it's not what you think, it's what you feel. The feeling is the real prayer. Jesus of Nazareth also said, "Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." Why believe you already have it? Because when you believe something is yours, you feel it. Otherwise, it's like you see it in the third person. It feels distant. It's like Neville Goddard's ladder experiment, which I've talked about in other videos on my channel. It's not just what you think, it's what you feel. When I was studying at university, I didn't just read the lessons like a novel. I tried to imagine what I was reading and relate it to my life, adding emotion. That's why I remembered and stored it. This is why I propose to you. It's a tool I've been using for years with great results, and it's so simple that anyone can do it. I think that for most people who say it doesn't work, it's because they lack faith. They try it a couple of times and then give up. When you don't see big changes in a few days, you might get discouraged and give up. There's a quote from Jesus of Nazareth. "It is my Father's desire to give you the kingdom." This means that God, the quantum field, the universe, the energy, whatever you want to call it, wants to give you what you desire. So, I will explain how to do it and give you a formula. First, write down on paper, in order of importance, all the things and circumstances you want. Don't be afraid to ask for too much. Then I will give you guidelines on how to do this, because it's the foundation of all my teachings. When you read that paper at night, don't just read it. Imagine experiencing those things in your life. For example, if you're imagining climbing a staircase, don't picture it from afar. Imagine it in the first person, seeing your hands and feet as you climb. You must visualize things as if you are experiencing them right now, in the present, believing that you already have them. So, as you go through your list, imagine each experience in detail. Really picture yourself living that moment. For example, if one of your desires is to buy a new house, imagine walking through the rooms, feeling the texture of the walls, and hearing the sounds in your new home. Engage all your senses in this visualization. Smell the fresh paint, feel the comfort of the new furniture, and see the beautiful view from your window. Start with the most important desires on your list. These are the ones that matter the most to you, the ones you deeply want to see come true. Even if you fall asleep before finishing all 10, it's okay because your subconscious will remember the most important ones. Your mind is powerful and will prioritize what you focus on the most. If you still haven't fallen asleep after going through the list, there's a magic formula from Dr. Joseph Murphy, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. He suggests falling asleep while repeating 2 words related to what you want to attract. These words should encapsulate your desires. For example, for financial goals, you might repeat wealth and success. Imagine the feeling of having plenty of money, the freedom it brings, and the security it offers. Feel the excitement of achieving your financial goals and the satisfaction of your hard work paying off. If you want to attract health, repeat health and energy or health and vitality. Picture yourself full of energy, feeling vibrant and alive. Imagine yourself doing things you love without any physical limitations, feeling strong and healthy every day. Feel the joy of living in a healthy body, free from illness and full of vitality. For love, repeat love and romance or love and relationships. Picture yourself with a loving partner, sharing special moments together. Feel the warmth of their touch, the joy of their company, and the deep connection you share. Imagine the happiness of a fulfilling relationship filled with love and mutual respect. These words have a lot of power, and your subconscious mind won't doubt them because it's simply repeating them. But they carry the energetic charge of what you want to attract. Your mind will absorb these words and the feelings they generate, helping to bring those desires into your reality. So, follow this formula every night. Make it a nightly ritual. After imagining and visualizing what you want in the first person, repeat these 2 magic words and fall asleep with them like a mantra. I promise you will see changes in your life in the next 2 days. Within 3 days, you'll start seeing results. You might notice small changes at first, like feeling more positive or seeing opportunities you hadn't noticed before. As you continue this practice, these changes will grow, and you'll start to see more significant results. Your desires will begin to manifest in ways that might surprise you. So stay committed to this practice and watch how your life transforms. If you keep doing this with true faith, the kind that creates your own reality, as Jesus of Nazareth said, according to your faith, let it be done to you. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it. I hope this video has inspired you greatly and helped you. Thank you for watching.